Yep.
Oh, hello everyone and welcome back to Raising It. Today I'm going to be unboxing the SpongeBob sponge. As you can see, my SpongeBob poster in the back of me. I got it for Christmas Eve. So we always have a party on Christmas Eve. It's my nan. I got some presents for my nan. I opened them. And then on Christmas Day, I get presents from Santa and I open them. Oh, and my mom opens her presents on Christmas. My dad opens his presents on Christmas. And I open my presents on Christmas. So this is one of my Christmas presents. It is a SpongeBob sponge. Can I have some scissors, please?
Some scissors? Oh,
Yeah.
I don't have scissors, but I can open it for you.
So it is a very old toy since it's green labeled. So this is a very old sponge.
Do they know what green label is?
So green labeled is this. See the green? See the green on there? That's what green label is. So here he has the SpongeBob sponge. He's really big and his underwear. So here's his legs. Okay, let's fix this. Oh, I remember this part where it was like where SpongeBob was like Okay, so here is him. So if you take him out, you see his underwear. See those underwear? See his underwear? I don't know. I didn't even see it, so let's put the underwear. So here is the sponge. It could stick on the wall. It's a little grippy. Let's put him back in the cases. He's pretty big for a sponge. And let's fix his arms. There we go. Okay, so this could stick on the wall since it has a grippy. Okay, so they did not have to put the underwear. Put it back in here. They have the arms that are bendable. They have the legs. The tie, this, and underwear. So I do have a lot of these of his pants and his legs, but they just sit on the wall. But this one, I don't really have any that have a grip attached. So like,
Can't see it.
what? So like, he could stick on the wall.
I don't know about on the wall. He would have to stick on something like the mirror or
like
the. Go.
You could sit like he could do that. Pretty cute. Now here, let me take it off.
Yep, hang on.
Oh, I got it off.
Okay.
Okay. So, have you ever go to my? Oh, I forgot. My name is Aaron here. So, I'm gonna shout out to someone once again. Shout out to Gianna, and shout out to my cousin Noe. So this is a very great SpongeBob. So if you put him in the sponge water, you don't see his underwear. Then if you take him out, you see his underwear. And right there is a little circle hole. I guess. Oh yeah, there's that circle thing. It presses a hole down. Okay, now I get it. My mom's videoing my dog, but I am videoing this unboxing. So I did do a lot of other videos. I stopped watching my DVDs just to do this video because I really want to do this unboxing of SpongeBob SquarePants. Because for all of you guys, you have always wanted to see a SpongeBob that's not just a regular sponge. I know you always say that. So there's someone that I've been watching for a long time. Do you know why I am doing these videos now? Because I've been watching a channel on YouTube for so long, and I am getting a lot of stuff to unbox with you guys and share with you guys. So you could take them out very easily. Oh, they did not forget the bumps. See those little bumps that SpongeBob has? So today, I was watching YouTube, but I did not watch YouTube channel, Cover Cartoons. It's one of my favorite channels, Cover Cartoons. It's one of the channels I watch like every day. But I make these videos. Okay, so I do have some of the meal toys from Burger King that were released a long time ago. But this SpongeBob sponge was released super long ago. So they did not forget anything. So here is what he looks like if you take him out. Pretty cool. Oh, I did play SpongeBob Battle for Bikini Bottom Rehydrated. It is pretty cool. So do you know what? You have to collect SpongeBob's underwear to survive. to survive! Oh, do you know how you read the signs? You tap on your controller, and then you could read the signs. SpongeBob read them to you. There's like words, and someone has to read them to you if you can't read. But I do have a bunch of SpongeBob DVDs. I also have one Super Mario The Movie DVD. This is my only one that I got. I do not have any, so I can't do like any giving to you because it's just on my nose. I don't know.
What was on your nose?
Something blue. A blue that was on my nose.
A boogie?
I think it was just on the screen.
Oh.
Okay, so do you like my poster? It says current SpongeBob current mood. And then you can hang them up here, hold him up here, like he's it. So this one is a pretty cool SpongeBob sponge. There's a little grip on the back. It's pretty cool. It doesn't stand on cushion. So let's try on my DVD I was watching. Okay, so I stand. Nope, doesn't stand on. So I am videoing this on the couch. Oh wait, I still have my Christmas tree up. I don't know why we didn't put it down yet.
It's only 2 days after Christmas.
Oh yeah, it is only 2 days after Christmas. Hello. Huh? What? So this is a very cool toy. They do not forget anything. Even his underwear, they didn't forget. Okay, you could see his underwear. Oh, do you know what? I can whistle.
No. Lick your lips first. And do that. And then gently. Gently.
Okay, I can. I just can't do it right now. Why not? Why not? SpongeBob, you get down from there. This instant. What is Okay, sorry.
You're a whole mess.
SpongeBob, why did you just do that? I don't. Okay, so I'm sorry for that big freak out of SpongeBob trying to punch me because it's like, get down from there this instant. Okay, I do have a lot of SpongeBob DVDs. I have a bunch. So I do have a zipper that I reviewed. I did not review the popcorn bucket. I have a popcorn bucket. I have a lot. But that's it for this video, and goodbye. And goodbye.
Press the red button.